We want to give God thanks for this opportunity to serve this state. We are not new in the business in the sense that I've been a lawyer for close to 32 years. And I think that I bring to board my experience dealing with human beings and dealing with institutions. And I know that every chief of staff brings in a new thing to make the office vibrant and to ensure that we portray what the governor is after. Our interest in this state is to ensure that we have peace, stability, and progress. And whatever the governor is about is where we must make sure that it succeeds. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. The governor was very specific.
I am a legal practitioner by practice. I am a lawyer. I understand what the meaning of oath of allegiance means. And even though he reiterated it to me, I understand what I was reading, and I will definitely abide by it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Grace of God, I want to thank the Excellency. It's really a surprise to me too, you know, because just this morning people started calling me. So, but I believe God, that the God that has helped me to perform where He knew me from, will help me to not to fail Him and the state, because it's about God here. It's not just about human being. So God will help me. That's what I have to say.
Okay, you also emphasize that the appointment is not for political empowerment,
Yes.
but for service.
Yes.
So I think there's a lot of expectation from
Yes,
this direction.
by the grace of God, well, as I've said it all, now when you bring God into something, God is not a politician. God will help us. The state will do well by the grace of God, you know. And I want to also encourage people to support us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.